Hi, today I want to talk to you about the magnificent beet green. Yesterday I started some beets fermenting for kvass, which is a fermented beverage that's, as you can imagine, really good for you. But with that, I have all of these beet greens. This is just 3 beets. That's a lot of beet greens. But they are just as healthy, if not maybe better, than the actual beets themselves. So obviously, you don't want to just toss these out, right? You want to use them. And of course, you can saute them. They're great sauteed. Honestly, you can kind of treat them like you would spinach. But the beet greens actually have more iron than spinach does. So the beet greens are so fantastic. They can lower your blood pressure. They can help add oxygen to your body, have anti-cancer properties. They contain iron, magnesium, vitamins B6, B9, folate, fiber. They are great for your brain health, your eye health, your skin. I mean, how great does that sound? I have a lot of beet greens here. Now, if you're pregnant, beet greens are perfect for you because of that B9 folate. They help you regenerate red blood cells, so that's great for you and the baby. I had to break out the big guy here. I don't use him very often. Sometimes it takes me a minute to figure out how to put him back together and use him. Hi, honey.
Hi, honey. She figured me out. She can figure anything out.
I don't know if they can hear you because of my microphone, but it's funny. I'm just going to give this a couple pulses just to beat it down a bit. Okay, so I have that beaten down, and to that, I'm going to add the zest and the juice of a lemon. So again, the pesto, why I like making the pesto is I can put it in the freezer for a later use. And then it's perfect in there that you can add it to soups and stews that you're making. I am making a beet green pesto frittata for dinner. So I'm going to put some of that into there. And then tomorrow I'm going to do a beet green pasta, like a beet green Alfredo sauce for some pasta. So kind of how if you would use a regular pesto, you can use your beet green pesto. Just in substitution of the basil pesto. Now you want 4 to 6 cups of beet greens, and I didn't really measure here, I just kind of guess, but about 4 to 6 cups, like really tightly packed beet greens. And then we're going to do a 1/3 of a cup of Parmesan cheese. I think I went a little overboard. I'm going to go ahead and give this a little pulse to break it down. And then some garlic. 3 to 5 cloves. I did 3 because they're really big, and I went ahead and smushed them well over 10 minutes ago so that Allison can start breaking itself out. And just because I feel like this is so beautiful and healthy, I'm going to go with my Redmond's Real sea salt here, and I'm going to do about a teaspoon, or probably going to do a little over half a teaspoon, and then taste and see what I think. And then you want some kind of a nut. Now, pine nuts, pepitas, sunflower seeds, pistachios, which I think pistachios go really good here. Or I'm going to use my walnuts today, and I'm going to do about a half a cup of walnuts or more. I just want you to look at how beautiful the color of that is. Isn't that pretty? Now we're going to add some extra virgin olive oil. Half a cup to maybe a 1/3 of a cup. Honestly, I just kind of add the oil to the consistency that I'm looking for. So I'm just going to start my motor and then slowly add my oil in. And there you go. Beautiful, beautiful beet green pesto. I'm going to have a little taste. So you can individually cube this and freeze it, or just use it right away. That's really good. Also, you can mix this with your cream cheese for like a really nice healthy dip. I would probably use my yogurt cheese, cream cheese for this to make it really healthy, but you can make a really good dip too. So thank you all for being here today, and don't let those beet greens go to waste. Make some beet green pesto. I'll see y'all later. Bye.